Go.
Hello, it's me, Coco. Again, yes. I'm going to do a different one. So, I basically measured cold, hot, and warm water. As you see, this is so cold again. And I measured, and it says cold, warm, hot. And also, I measured, this is 81, that's 75, and it's 45. So these are very cold, hot, in all different ways. So now what I'm going to do is going to drop one of those tablets in, and to see if the cold goes faster, or if the hot goes faster, or if the warm goes faster. Are you ready to see? And a 3, and a 2, and a 1. Gotta be very quick with this stuff, and very slick. I personally like the yellow tablets better because it shows you a lot. As you can see, they're all kind of blooming. The blue is a little hard to see, so I'll find it for you. Okay, so right here, there is a blue. So you can basically, everything is following in your guys' direction. It's all in your direction, okay? So you can just walk. It's all in your direction. You can also look on the top, so it's basically white, yellow, blue, and pink. I call it magenta, but. So as you can see, I think the hot one goes a little more faster. What do you guys think? I think the hot one goes faster because look at the speed. Do not disturb it if you're trying to do this. You could also get the kit if you want to do this with me. Yeah, you can if you want. Totally optional. If you think, you gotta literally look with your eyes. Because I still see it blowing. See the pink blowing up? I still see, well, where's the blue? I see the blue blowing and I see the yellow. So if you're 100% positive that you see no more fizzes and you hear no more fizzes, then with an excess cup, you can pour it in and pour it back. Right now my excess cup isn't available, so yeah. So right now I'm gonna feel this cold water and talk a little more about it. So this cold water is pretty cold. And again, as I said, I got it from the freezer. It's from ice, which is very cold water. And to keep you guys waiting, I'm gonna measure it and see how cold it is. Going down, going down, going down. Whoa. It's about, I wanna say it's about 40. Yeah, it's about 40, 39-ish. So that's a huge, I tell you guys, very, very big company. So now let's take a look at how this is doing. As you can see, it's almost dissolved. Let's see where it is, where it goes. So I think it is dissolved, but I'm just gonna get, I can still hear it. Very hard. Now let's check this one. Let me look. So I see it there. So I can still hear some those noises. Now let me see here. I can definitely see it. This is a good one. You can still hear it fizzing. So we're gonna have these wait a little while. The way that I can tell they're done is that I mean these noises. So do not drink it. I'm not drinking it either. Sounds a little funny. So let's check. So I kind of still see a little. Oh yeah, I see something. Okay. But to not keep you guys waiting, I'm gonna talk more about these tablets. So some of them actually has a little water, so that's why it's a little messy. And I'm gonna be trying to clean it up. So, also more about the tablets. I'll clean while I show you guys. So they come in the set. This is crushed with a mallet. This got like crushed when it got sent, but anyways. So again, if you want to make the better way to experiment is the colder the water is, or the hotter the water is, or the regular the water is. It makes the best possible, so you can get the most likely answer. So yeah. So now I'm gonna test one last time about how it's going. Sorry about that. So now it's gonna make a noise if it's so fizzy. So I still see this one is not fizzy anymore. So, yes, now I can pour it from cup to that. So there's a little yellow here. That's from my last experiment. I'm just gonna pat it down. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it. So I know the yellow is not done because I can literally see it. So now I'm gonna try testing this one. The way you think that it is done is that you're gonna have to pour it into a cup and pour it back and make it successful. And you wanna make sure there's no tablets. This is the scary part, because if you're not done with it, then basically it's ruined. It'll feel like a chunk when you do it. And it is successfully done. That took about, I wanna say like a minute or so. Like 2 minutes or so. It is very, very cool, so I'll keep it here. It's not fitting anymore. And now let me look. Let me listen. Well, I still hear a noise, but I don't think it's there. So let me try it. It's the ultimate test. The color's beautiful, don't you guys agree? The color's beautiful. See, no clumps. Oh, perfect. Smooth lever and smooth cut. So you will need a little excess dropper cup. So I could tell that this is still fizzing. This will take a little while to catch it on camera, but I could show you guys that, you see it's not moving anymore. So that means that it kind of defrosted. The water is way too cold and it's probably frozen. I'm disturbing it right now. So that's a little rude for me to do, but I have to do it for you guys. I have to see. It's literally frozen. It's frozen completely. And let me now do the cup exercise thing to check. Again, it's literally frozen, guys. Literally frozen in the ball. And now it's green because there's blue. Literally frozen. Let me take the green out. There's a green one, but here. It's literally frozen in there. I could just crush it with my hands. It's like literally, I could just crush it with my hands. It's that frozen. Okay, so I know it looks a little green now. That's because, well, there's blue in the cup, and blue plus yellow equals green. When I put it on the tablet, it will look green again. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's it.